In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily go live on TikTok using your iPhone. And also I'll show you some tips to make your live streams more engaging. Just be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we obviously need to open up Facebook app, and before you try to go live, make sure your account meets TikTok requirements. First, you must be at least 16 years old to be able to go live on TikTok. To receive gifts from viewers, you must be 18 or older, and you need at least 1,000 followers to unlock this live feature. Now, if your account qualifies, here's how to start a live stream. First off, we need to tap right here at this plus, and then you can just swipe like that or hit right here at live to go to this part of TikTok app. It looks different, and here we can simply go live by tapping right here at this button. However, first off, I recommend you to enter a catchy title for your live. You can easily do so right here. Just enter here something engaging, because this helps attract viewers. Keep it short, engaging, and relevant to your live. Also, down below here you can choose different settings. First off, let's say you can flip your camera just like that by hitting right here. Also, we can enhance our videos using that tool, and also there are a huge variety of different options here. We can also go to settings, and here TikTok lets us to add moderators. Here we can also choose video quality and all other tools that will help us to make our live better. Also, before starting your live, I recommend you to check your lighting and the background. A clean setup and a good lighting make a huge difference, so just keep that in mind. And also, if you want more engagement, go live when your audience is most active. To do that, you can check your TikTok analytics and find the best time. Now, guys, we can hit right here at go live, and also if we go to settings, here we can use that practice mode. If we hit right here, it will pretend that actually we are already live. So when we are live, we can see that kind of interface, and that's where we can play with these tools such as enhance, and then we can, let's say, add some effects here, just like that one or another one. That's how we can easily switch between them. And once you are actually ready to go live, all you have to do is hit right there or at that red button which says go live. If you tap right there, it will ask you for the confirmation, and if you just will wait for about 3 seconds, you will go live automatically. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily go live on TikTok using your iPhone. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.